If you've ever had to deal with your car's air conditioning system, then you've no doubt tried to figure out all the parts involved. You probably already know about the compressor, which is considered the heart of the system. This belt-driven pump is fastened to the engine and is responsible for compressing and transferring refrigerant gas, or in simple terms, keeping the inside of the car cool. But it can't do it alone. Here's a brief rundown of the other parts and what they do. Accumulators are used on systems that accommodate an orifice tube to meter refrigerants into the evaporator. The chief role of the accumulator is to isolate the compressor from any damaging liquid refrigerant. The receiver dryer is used on the high side of systems that use a thermal expansion valve. The primary function of the receiver dryer is to separate gas and liquid, while the secondary purpose is to remove moisture and filter out dirt. Another common refrigerant regulator is the thermal expansion valve, or TXV. Commonly used on import and aftermarket systems, this type of valve can sense both temperature and pressure and is very efficient at regulating refrigerant flow to the evaporator. The orifice tube, probably the most commonly used, can be found in most GM and Ford models. While inexpensive, usually between $3 to $5, the labor to replace one involves recovering the refrigerant, opening up the system, replacing the orifice tube, evacuating, and then recharging. Located inside the vehicle, the evaporator serves as the heat absorption component. Its primary duty is to remove heat from the inside of your vehicle, while it also aids in dehumidification. The condenser, in many cases, will have much the same appearance as the radiator in your car, as the two have very similar functions. The condenser is designed to radiate heat. As hot compressed gases are introduced into the top of the condenser, they're cooled off. As the gas cools, it condenses and exits the bottom of the condenser as a high-pressure liquid. An automotive air conditioning system is not like a standalone home unit. AC components are located throughout different areas of the vehicle. That's why it's so important to understand the functions of each part of the system and how they work together in order to properly maintain the unit. To learn more facts about your vehicle's air conditioning system, be sure to connect with us on Facebook and Twitter. You can also find great how-to videos on our YouTube channel.